Welcome to the storage device presentation by John Subisi. Yeah, here we'll be talking about file system. File system in Linux and Windows. Actually, file system help organize data in the compute world, the digital world. So right now, we'll head in looking the similarities and differences between file system. Even though there is a lot of differences between Windows and Linux operating system, but the main similarity between the file system is that they use hierarchic file system, where both files are being put into Active Directory and are being subcontracted into sub Active Directory and put into files. And then, and if we have to talk about the differences, the Windows use the new technology file system, meanwhile, the Linux use the common fourth extension file system. The Windows, they use the support file permission, encryption, and compression. Meanwhile, Linux use a hierarchical directory structure with a single root. Well integrated with Active Directories, making it ideal for business environment, is being used by Windows. Meanwhile, Linux offers similar features like file permissions and encryption, but it's generally more customized. File in the Windows system, file structures starts with device letter, e.g., the drive. Meanwhile, in the Linux structure, the file system support multiplies file system such as XFS and BTFs. Yeah. Now we will head to Windows or Linux from to the preference why you have to choose Windows or Linux. Both of them, they have their advantages. So on Windows, they have a strong support for enterprise level application, Active Directory, and integral with existing business tools. They also have a preferred for environmental with non-technical staff due to ease of use. Meanwhile, on the other hand, on Linux side, it is cost effective. That is open source and more secure due to lower susceptibility to certain malware and ransomware. Also, in the Linux operating system, they are ideal for business requirements, high customization, and flexible, such as in tech startups, mostly in like in tech startups or companies focused on development. Uh, Comparing the two storage solutions in an enterprise network, uh, NAS network attached storage, a file level storage solution connects to a network got for files sharing and collaboration across departments. easy to scale and implement in medium to large size enterprise. Send storage area network, a block level storage solution designed for high performance application like database. Uh, Typical offer between better performance and reliable companies to NAS. More complex to set up and manage, but offer greater scalability for large enterprises. Now we have to go to the ethical consideration from a Christian perspective. On a Christian perspective, stewardship, a Christian perspective emphasizes responsibility in managing resources wisely, including financial consideration, choosing cost effective storage solutions must balance financially prudence with providing adequate data protection, transparency, and integrity. So, in the ethical world, transparency and integrity, we talk about organizations must ensure that act with integrity in deciding storage solutions, avoiding cut corners that compromises security or data integrity. Ethics in data management, protecting sensitive information is critical, especially in light of rising ransomware threats. Ethical responsibilities call for proper investigation, investment in secure storage, even if it incurs high cost. Decision making process. Ethics would demand that long term security and employees' well being be prioritized over short term financial savings. Mismanagement could lead to data breach affect, affecting employees, clients, and partners. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. Hope to talk to you next time. Thank you.